All right. Alright guys, so this is part of a SideQuest Sunday segment where I'm unboxing another thing that I ordered, and it's a little loud because it's in the middle of the day and I just got home from work. I want to open this thing up right now so I can start messing with it. I ordered this 2 months ago, almost to the day. I didn't think it was gonna take 2 months to get this. I completely forgot I ordered this. So now we're gonna open it together. So let's get to it. Let's see. Dun dun dun. What? Yes. I ordered this from our friends Sweetwater. Not sponsored, obviously, because, you know, I'm a small channel and nobody cares about what I do right now. Hopefully one day they will. And then I have this. Check this out. Quad Cortex. Oh my God. I am so excited. I've seen so many videos. And it's a little overwhelming, honestly, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to figure this out. But let's see what we can do. Oh man. There it is. Brand new. Wow. We got the thing here. Nice. Sorry, my kid. Sorry, my kid is going a little crazy. But yeah, check this out. Wow. Look at this beautiful thing. I am so excited for it. All right. Wow. It's heavy. Heavy duty. Nice. Okay, that's the input. Perfect. And it has a bunch of shit back here that I have no clue how to use because I am not very good at this. So check this out. So it has the power there, headphones, which is probably what I'm going to be using. This is going to go to my interface, I believe. I don't know. Is that what it is? Yeah, I don't know how this works. All I know is what it does is what I need to make my sound better in the channel. Disregard what's happening back here. Came with a nice little pick. These things go at the bottom here. Some resources. And a nice little decal. Neural. And hopefully this will help the quality of the sound coming to you in future videos. So with that, let's continue with another SideQuest Sunday. And we have the second part, or third part, depending on where I'm going to put this on the video. Another adventure for SideQuest Sunday. We're going to the beach. Can you say SideQuest Sunday? All right, you're getting better. All right, people, we made it to the beach. It's not as busy as I thought it was going to be for a holiday weekend, but it's kind of cool. All right, I like it. Let's see, let me show you where we are. We are in Zuma, in Malibu. Da-da-da-da-da. I am so excited. We're gonna have a great time. All right, so now we have to unload the car, which we brought everything. It's like we moved in. So let's see how we can get all set up. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
You are? That's awesome.
Can you give me?
You want me to get you out?
You give me out?
Okay, I'm gonna unload the car first, okay? And then I'll get you out.
Okay,
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
I love you, girl.
I love you.
All right. Excited. We're waiting for Robbie and Jazz, our usual friends that are always on our videos. Let's go. Hey, buddy. Up, up, up.
Look up. Look up.
Hey, Cammy.
Toast.
Cammy, look. Let me see your. Oh, wow. Look at your outfit. Can you do a twirl for me? Woo! All right. And then the buddy. Buddy's ready for action. You look so cute. All right, we're back, and we are on the beach. Cammy's running away from me right now, thinking that I'm not watching, but I am. And now, we're gonna do a little, that's our setup right there. Look at that, nice, professional as shit. Sweet. Hey, Cammy. What you doing? What you working on, Baba? Look at that. Beautiful day on the beach, a little windy, but it's alright. It's alright, it's all cool. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. It's all good. We're having a great time. Cammy, you want to go to the water? Okay, so we're doing the water already with Cammy. So, if you give me a second, I'll go and play with my kid. We'll be right back. What's up, people? We're back. We are hanging out at the beach, having some snacks after I terrorized my daughter, dropping her in the water with the waves.
Yeah, it's weird. It's so weird.
So now we're just relaxing a little bit, staying hydrated, and having some sandwiches with the people.
You guys free next Saturday?
What's up? No. No. I am never free on Saturdays anymore.
We're gonna go to the
Unless we
fair.
go camping. Where?
We're gonna go to the fair. Again.
Oh,
2 weekends in a row.
damn. Is that good?
It's so good.
All right. So we're back. We spent the day on the beach. I didn't make any videos on the beach because it was super windy and it wasn't the best beach day ever. So, but yeah, so now we're going to go to the next stop. We're going to hang out and try to see what we can do. Cammy, did you have a good time on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. That's all that matters. The baby had a good time. Cammy had a good time. Mama has a good time. I had a good time. And then now we're just gonna keep going to the next stop. All right, so we are in Thousand Oaks right now. Robbie and Jess got a new Tesla, so they're charging it.
So we're in the rich area of Thousand Oaks.
We are in the rich area of Thousand Oaks where we do not belong.
There's a 4 out there. Again, I cannot afford any.
Any of these cars.
Cammy.
There's a G-Wagon parked in the Tesla Charger. I don't know why it's parked there,
Jen's wedding was right.
unless it's a like
Really?
electric one. And I do not know
Was it nice? I didn't get to enjoy it. Oh yeah.
if
I know
Mercedes-Benz are electric. I'm sure they have few, but I don't know if that car is electric.
I'm even surprised your dad is allowing you to wear that.
They're definitely not Crocs.
He has
I
to
do
throw
not.
them away.
I love you.
Uncle Baba got them for her.
Yeah, you see, but he gave up on life, you know, so he can wear them.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. What do you want to do? What do you guys want to do?
I want to go to the water park.
Oh,
I want to go to the water park too.
like we didn't have enough water earlier.
All right, so we're gonna go and walk around a little bit and document the rich people's lives that we cannot afford. Bro,
No, honestly.
come on. Wait. Get out of here. I used to work at Williams Sonoma.
No, you did not.
Yeah, in Miami.
Me
I,
up.
yeah, yeah, I worked everywhere. I was,
You work there.
why? Because they were paying me money.
Every other week you have to do I have been with you for almost 8 years at this point.
I worked in the furniture department. All right, Cami, time to walk.
Okay.
Can you walk?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, walking. All right, so update on the G-Wagon that was parked on the Tesla charger.
Let's go.
It was just parked there. So that's kind of like a dick move. You don't need to be parking there because it's a charger.
Bob. 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 Bob.
Anyway, so we saw the fancy stores,
Bob.
and they were too fancy. $700 knives.
Bob.
Not a set, one knife. Yeah, definitely not on that price point right now. And then Cammy's struggling in the back for whatever reason. I gave it a cake pop that she rejected. So we're gonna go to the next place, see if we can find a refreshment. And then we just go from there. So we're in another brewery to end the day, as usual. We decided to come over here to get a refreshment. And this place looks really cool, really cool. It has a bunch of different things. It's kind of like a warehouse space. And there's like businesses on each side, which obviously is holiday today, holiday weekend, I guess. And they're closed, so we're not gonna be able to see all the other businesses they have open here. But at least we are ready to enjoy a cold one. The kids are running, as you can see, and then here, so the rest of operations. I think that they have like a second bar going, usually, and they have concerts for the looks of it. So it's very similar to Transplants and all those places out in the Antelope Valley, the breweries, and they have also places where they can play music. So far it looks pretty chill. It looks really nice. Nice spot. It's only beer. It's only beer. Morgan doesn't like beers. She likes wine and seltzers. Yum. What's up, buddy? Alright guys, this is the sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a great time hanging out on the beach and coming to this brewery as well. The variety was very limited, so it's not one of my top places to visit for sure, but you know, if they had like more variety in beers too and seltzers, that would be probably more fun. Say bye. Yeah, everybody's super tired. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next Guitar Tech adventure or a SQS Sunday. Later.